TruCentive was founded in 2018. We are a 100% virtual company, and we deliver gifts, rewards, and incentives via email and SMS message. The Beefree SDK has contributed to our success because it is part of one of the three key pillars of our product, and that is design excellence. We have customers that range from large corporations like Microsoft, Dell, Iron Mountain that have very strict brand guidelines, and they have to reproduce the same quality of landing pages and emails as they do with their corporate tools. We also have small teams that have very limited resources or experience, and they needed a tool that was easy to use. The reason we chose to use the Beefree SDK was I knew that it had the best-in-class design tools. It was well thought out for a user scenario where you're in a SaaS environment and having lots of clients of various different skill sets using the tool. Within 4 days, we had proof of concept put in place. We were fully live within 3 weeks with our customers using the product. It was a very quick process with very small amount of engineering effort. The Beefree SDK is great because we can continually add additional features to make our customers' lives easier. Things like saved rows where they can auto-insert their logo. They can add their boilerplate messaging that they might be required by corporate counsel. It's really easy to underestimate the needs of your customers. Having a tool that's both easy to use and has the breadth of feature set, you're going to reap rewards not only in the sales side of the equation, but also in the support savings, and then finally, of course, your engineering cost. I've used a lot of products over the years, and the Beefree SDK just simply is the easiest and fastest way to create quality content.